the meaning of this rubbish?
Even if she offends you, can't you overlook her? It's okay! Fire your mouth, your nose and your ears. I'm telling you that this witch you call a daughter broke my son's head. I almost killed him. You here, not pink, and pretending that your ears are for fancy. That you're not listening to what I'm saying. Are you panting for me? Thank your gods, but I was not the one who handled your son myself. I wouldn't have let him alive. You want to fight me? No, come on, fight me! Leave this devil alone! For she must surely put you some liver!
Oh, you want to bite me again? You tried to malo. I only tasted your blood. That's why you're still alive and you can talk. You want to know if I can handle you?
Let's go!
Oh! Mike! You want to come yourself? Nonsense. You all are satanic. But I know how to handle both of you. All of you in this house. I will make this house uncomfortable for you. Hey! Have we managed your dinner? Leave
the devil alone! Let's go! Your case is
okay, leave me. I will go now.
Leave
In this house.
Go!
You got me walking now.
Go!
Nenum Pempisi. Eh? Nenum Pempisi. You see it? I've been saying it, but you will not listen. She broke your head because you're never ready to stand up for yourself. You think you're the matter in this compound. You want to protect everybody. Look at what she has done to you. I've been saying it, but you will not listen. For your information, the intention was not to hurt you, but to kill you. The same way they killed my brother. And this time around, it is real battle. And it is not battle for the lily-livered boys, because I will not put men there. Makijugebu a man. Nakunye and defend yourself. My brother is gone. You're the next person that stands to inherit his property. That is why they want to kill you. Have you heard what I'm saying?
So you're hearing her?
I've heard you.
I have. Oh, but I'm not defending you, right? Oh, if you caught to say, and you should help him. You should help him next time.
I was fighting.
You're fighting what?
That girl is too small for both of you to handle. Eh? Look at children I brought up with apple. Have you forgotten where you're coming from? Now you're here, you're behaving like children that brought up with bugger. Mama nenya bugger kasi you we sike. Let me turn and call you. That can read it I can get. Okay, bunye nyen. Mama never na paper apple.
Next time I'll break up.
Hold up. Wait. We are your late master people from the village. Yes. We are here to see his family. Come on, enter. Hey, Ola, what are you for that place that you got?
Opportunity don't call, share the oil money, make everybody jolly. Money good, money.
Merit, you were summoned, but you neglected and insulted us. Eh? You neglected and insulted us and turned down our invitation. Why?
Because I did say it's important. Going to the village because of some liabilities like you, who wants to take my husband's property.
Did you people hear what she called you? She called you liabilities. No. Let me explain what that means in you. Yes, useless people. People you're worse than beggars. That's what gave her the guts to call me Teoforo.
Hey! What are you saying about working? Merit!
Mother, go ahead and do your work.
So, you have the guts to call us Teoforo? We have confirmed that what we are told is true. So, we did not come here to exchange words with you, but to put you where a woman that could not give the husband the son should be, yes, according to our custom.
Yes.
It's either you go in, pack your things and leave this family, or you surrender all and this property. Then, our kinsmen here will decide what goes to you or not.
Oh my God. You are joking, right? You know what you just said is not possible. You people are joking, right? Anyway, when you are done joking, you can go back to wherever you came from.
If you dare walk out from us, I will teach you a lesson you won't forget in your life.
Will you take your filthy hands off me?
Oh, what? What would you do? Can you confirm? Utter one more word, you will see what I'll do to you. I'll just send you back to Naija. If you got that phone I bought yesterday, I've been promising to do that, but this time around, I won't do it. Nonsense. God punish you.
Now sit down there.
I'm also...
Leave her. Leave her. Leave her.
It's a liver.
What you want to know? You're me.
That's a weekend. Wow.
She may think that you are here to live in a hurry. Merit! We are just laughing at you. Better pack your things and come down here before I send you one.
Those people are crazy. Do you know that those fools are here to throw us out of this house and take every
everything your father left behind for us. As I want to stand against them, one idiot, one dirty woman came to fight me. Rose, if I tell you how I managed to run out of that place, you won't believe it.
I hate them, Mom. Mom, you can't leave that properties for them. But, Mom, what do we do now?
Yeah, Dorcas. Babe, there is trouble in my house. Babe, as I'm talking to you right now, my husband Kinsmell are in my house. That I should bring out everything my husband left behind for them to share. Just because I didn't give my husband his son. Babe, I'm confused. I don't know what to do right now. I don't know what to do. That's the best thing to do. Are you sure? Okay, thank you very much. I will do just that. Yes, thank you. God bless you. You are indeed a good friend.
She thinks we are here for child's play. If we wait for her for a little while and she fails to come down here and surrender our brother's properties, we will go in there, beat her and her stupid daughter out of this house.
Yes.
She wants to claim our brother's properties after killing him without a son. Is it possible?
Come. Where are you? Come. Open the door. Madam. Officer, you're welcome. Please, this way.
Yes.
Here they are.
Oh.
Arrest them!
Well, we are police officers from the state CID. All of you are under arrest. Stand up and move. Stand and move! Move it.
Officer, for what?
Yes. We need to know the reason for the arrest. Because we don't know the law. Yes. You will know when you get to the station. Stand up!
Officer, you see, it has...
Move! Can you see that man with the gun there? We are ready for you now. Get up, all of you. Get up! Get up! Get up! Move! Move! Let's go! Move! Move! Please. Officer.
Go down.
Please. Go down!
Please, I don't want to be arrested, please. Yeah, I'm sorry. Please. Please, I don't know. Officer. I don't want to be arrested, please. Please, I'm sorry. Mike, help us to beg them now. Mike.
Ewo, come CJ. Please, my wife. I am a poor widow. There is nobody to take care of my children if I am arrested. Oh. Please forgive me for all the evil things I said to you. Che, please, I'm sorry. Oh.
Yes, we are sorry for bothering you. We promise we will never bother you again if you release us. Please, please just let us go, please.
Yes, me too. Please, don't take us to the station, please. We will go in peace.
Yes, it's a promise, my wife. We wouldn't have been here. It was Mike that persuaded us to do so. Please, Allow us to go, please. Oh, he persuaded you to threaten her life?
Yes.
Oga, you will go with us to the police station.
Oga, no. Merit here is my sister-in-law. I don't know these people. I live here.
Hey! Mike, what are you saying? Hey, officer, please, don't listen to him. Don't. He is the one that brings us here to come and throw Merit out of this house.
Shut up, you liars. Hey! Merit, do I have anything to do with these people? Tell them that I don't have anything to do with them.
Hey, Mike, you want
Officer, please let them go.
No. It's risky. It's risky. Do you know that they threatened your life? No.
Let them go.
They must sign an undertaking. They must.
Yeah.
If I let them go.
It's okay, officer, they can do that.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Shut. What did you say?
Thank you, sir.
What? Shut your mouth.
Please.
Oh, you now can plead. You can plead, eh? While you were planning to come and threaten her life, you never measured the repercussion. Listen to me. Listen to me. Any other time I hear that you made a move 40 feet close to this gate, you will all rot in jail. Idiots. Idiots. Now go. Go! Go! You come here. You. Yes, you. Come. What did you do? What did you do? Go. Run. Go. I said go.
Are you sure this man is leaving?
I said go.
The officer is talking to you. He said you should go.
What's she still doing there?
He said you should leave.
I'm looking at the sun.
Stop looking at the sun. Go in the room and look inside the room.
River Naija petrolo. River Naija petrolo. River Naija petrolo. Isikwana na magwaroyo. River Naija petrolo.
What's her problem?
Officer, it's okay. It's okay. I can handle this.
She's like she's troublesome.
Officer, I wish to thank you very much for being there for us. Who knows what would have happened if you didn't come to our head.
Come on, madam. We are doing our work. We are in this city to combat crime. That's our work.
And I have this for you. You may use it to clear your van.
This is good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Listen to me. Any other time, anybody, and I mean any human being, will threaten your life, just put a call across. You know what we can do.
Officer, I know what you can do. Thank you very much.
All of them, oh.
No problem.
Even that one that looks like Juju, that cultist. He said he stays here. Okay. And that woman, oh, and that one.
Is that right?
I think she's the major suspect here.
Okay.
Let's go.
Where is this boy? Open the gate. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Nice day.
Police, have they left?
They have gone. Where are they? Call them back now.
Monica, you know I don't have time for your trouble.
Mba, you won't have my time. You won't check if you're not son. Mama feel kunya ya. Mama feel kunya ya. Mama feel kunya ya kama.
Monica.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Please, I want us to talk.
Okay, sit.
This family used to be one happy family. As a matter of fact, when Uncle Andy was alive, He did all he could to ensure that every single member of this family is happy and comfortable. But it's quite pathetic that shortly after his burial, things turned upside down and took a very ugly shape. And I want to beg you, if there is anything that my mom and uncle has done to you that ignited this flame of anger and rage against us, please, I want you to reconsider your stand on this issue and find a place in your heart to forgive everybody. You know as much as I do that Uncle Andy is a peaceful man, and wherever he is right now, I'm sure he will not be happy with the recent happenings in this family. Please, I beg you.
You see, Frank, I have no problems with anybody. The fact is that your mom and uncle have refused to allow me enjoy what my husband left for me out of greed and jealousy. As for peace, yes, there will be peace in this family if you people leave my house.
Hey! You should actually win the best award in the universe for the best liar. If I knew, it cannot happen. Yes, you cannot stay and enjoy my brother's wealth. I trained my brother, I should inherit everything. May God see that we should go, so you will enjoy. Enjoy Guinea. It's not your fault, but I'll tell you something. You will not stay here to enjoy anything. You will leave this compound by hook or by crook. I will ensure that.
Okay, let's see how it goes.
We will see. Okay, no money in our river Naija when up. Hey! Okay, come on and for that's for you. Hey! Namo! Loyo Nukube! Justice Ibama! You came here to beg. Beg for something that is rightfully yours. Frankie, follow them, May. When will you start being a man? Yeah. Sometimes I wonder if you actually came out from this stomach. In a middle welcome. I will tell you something. You see this woman? She's wicked. She's wicked. She's evil. She's a snake. You should think of everything bad in this world. You ascribe it to her. You know never. And they play and leave you to do what? Give in a little now. Now let me tell you something. She didn't even offer you the drink. She thinks she's a witch. What witch come? Junior, it's your baby witch. She only flies during the day. A witch. I'm the grandmother witches. I fly 247. I'm gonna make you a baladiana. Masal, now yo. Okay, you got to Wally here. Shut. I am going after her. You can make it to Maria.
Boy is over. Mwaga you don't be master. When they waiting the song, oh, money good. Opportunity don't call, sharing all your money. make everybody jolly. Money good, money, 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 money. Oh, goody, oh, goody. Money good, money, 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 money. Hey, go money good.
You're welcome. Lock the gate and get me the key. You hear me? Make sure nobody enters here today until I say so. No but! No but! No but! In fact, keep the key, but make sure that nobody enters here today. I will deal with them. You might. Okay, turn the back.
What you have one day? If you see it, you nearly kill me today. Okay, Mike. I don't know. You say me cannot get for anybody.
You tell me this thing too.
Oh, you tell you too.
You tell me this thing too.
If you go drink, don't come back today. If you see, I've been having a smoky smoke. I don't know.
Take us off you. They hear you. Yeah, man. So, I'm going to run the call. Open door for them now.
No, help me, I beg.
Huh?
Help me, just help me to open it. Help me. You didn't inside. You go.
Yeah. So my instructions are not making sense to you. I told you that nobody will enter here until I said so. Didn't I say that nobody should enter here till I say so? Eh?
Tony, what rubbish is going on here? Keeping me and Rose outside there under the sun? Is anything wrong with you?
I forgot my key. You know I'm not open door for anybody.
What? Anyways, open the gate for me.
Now what the key now?
Eh?
Now what key?
I don't get you. The keys I handed over to you, and you allowed this madman took them from you. Onyawa. Okay. I think I know how to handle your type. Rose, let me have my phone. Yes, Mr. DPO. Yeah, it's me, Merit. Like right now, I need you right now. At my residence. Sorry, never mind. Please, collect the key. Nonsense. Oh, my darling, let me bring in the car.
Ginika, are you not ashamed of yourself? So you left your husband's house, came here to fight for what your brother left for his own wife. Ginika, please, what are you saying?
Hey, Merit to see River Naija where your papa. Okay now. I don't blame you. Merit, you should be ashamed of yourself. You did not even give my brother a son to take over. Yet you want to sit down where Bokola Konobi and Elipia. Apacharani Chokobela Mwaya Chuchunyanako, na Funiego. Merit, I am sorry. We can't leave this thing for you. We don't need you. Kwakolo Naba Merit. Naba, you chombuga River Naija myself. Naba Tiyan Bridge. You might way. Or
So that is what it is, eh? Okay, let's see how it goes.
Sister, let me chip in something. As a peace ambassador, the owner of the money is resting in peace, so we have no reason to be fighting. Your late husband left enough, so I suggest share the money. Look at this man. From he looks unkempt. It's obvious he needs money. Give him few millions. This one is not Ebo Yibo Abi Ebo Oka.
Ebo Yibo, Ebo Oyibo.
Ebo Yibo, fine.
Yes.
From her dress, you can tell she's financially unstable. Give her few millions, go away, go lumbo. Then me as Ezbogo, give me few millions of now. I've got 40 million. Let me go and establish myself. Akuzon ilo nasi ana. Oketaka ababin sotal mezi. Share the money, let everybody be happy.
God punish you there. Give me shares what? Eh? What right do you have to have shares, to have anything from our inheritance? Let me tell you. For your information, that filling station Andy gave you to manage. Get prepared to live there because Andy is dead. I am in charge now. And for you, people like you, non-entities like you, you cannot even be seen around there. Mark my words.
Thank God, casket of your size will be very cheap. I swear, Nopanya. If I see you anywhere close to that filling station, read my lips. If I see you anywhere close to that filling station, I will set you ablaze. Bet me. Will 35 got your casket with 50,000 maybe nobody will talk. Bet!
But if I can look at bet.
Bet me,
Your crazy mother you will. It is your crazy mother you will kill.
Release my brother. You may release them boy you better.
You can do nothing. Leave me.
Boy is over. Mwaga you don't be master. When they waiting the song. Oh, Lordy good. Opportunity don't come.
Where you? Desmond, what are you still doing here? I am asking you, what are you still doing here? I told you that my brother is late, that your services are no longer required here. What are you still doing here?
So you have the guts to come to my business premises and beg money?
Your business premises? My brother's wealth, your business premises. Get out here before I push you.
Every time, my brother get.
Get out before I push you. I said get out there before I push you.
I will set you ablaze here now.
Mo?
I will set you ablaze.
Mo? Kainene.
Okay, just wait. Give me lighter. Lighter!
He's a madman. He's a madman! He's a madman!
Come and take police station. Come and take police station. Mama Nudi, inside Japala. Mama Nudi, inside Japala. You want to take filling station? Dala. Mabogoko, go away for you. Nonsense. Nobody will take this filling station away from me. This filling station is mine. Nobody will take it away from me. Mama Nudi, inside Japala. My in-law dashed me this filling station before he died. And there's nothing anybody can do about it. There is nothing anybody will do about it. Ndala. Mama Nudi, inside Japala.
See, I don't know what I would have done without you. As far as this house is concerned, I'm giving the kudos to you. You are indeed a good friend. Thank you very much.
Sean, what are friends for? That is what every good friend should do for each other. Thank you for the money. I'm really grateful. Let me get running.
It's alright.
Go back to the shop.
It's alright. Please take care of yourself.
Auntie, welcome. Welcome.
Thank you. Dorcas, my daughter. You're welcome. How are you?
Auntie, I'm fine. I came to know how you are doing.
I am here digging it out with that girl.
Auntie, you are right. You have to head on. For what is yours, winners don't quit.
Okay. That's your How can I quit? You're right too. I really appreciate all the encouragement you've been giving me. If not for you, hey, so what can I do?
Auntie, you're welcome. Auntie, what about that thing I asked you about?
No problem. I will give you what I have in my bag. Hey, I'm no way, baby, good. Hey, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7,000.
Auntie, thank you. Thank you. Auntie, I will have to get there. Thank you. God bless you.
Bless you more for being there for me. If not for you, hey, Madaka Fujuganya. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Auntie, I will have to get going.
You're leaving?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Take care. Bye. Bye.
Mom, welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm fine. Well, I really don't know you people are close friends.
Good friends. Yeah. She's my best friend's daughter. And she's a very nice girl. She always stands by me through thick and thin.
Really?
Yes.
Mom, how sure are you of her loyalty?
Oh, Logini. In short, from today I'll be calling her loyalty. If not for this girl, that merit would have just finished us with her evil in this house. She would have just taken over everything and dealt with us. The girl is a good girl and I trust her. Okay, now I choose it. Drive in the car.
Ego.
Work as my daughter.
I don't even know what to do anymore. I am so confused. This whole thing is getting out of hand. Nemi, what do you suggest that I do?
Listen, Auntie. What you are saying is not a problem because I have an answer for you.
You have the solution to my problem?
Yes.
you?
I know of a very good native doctor. I'll take you there by next tomorrow. Once you step your foot inside, all your problems are solved.
In a Judea. So, are you sure?
Yes. Yes. I'm sure. I made use of him once I had that.
What's the point of waiting for next tomorrow? Let's start going now.
Let me call you. Mary!
Check on Mary! Come in.
Take care of the shop. I'm out, but I won't be long, okay?
The love of money is the root of all evil. Organic anazo, ilo neme bife, odiro machacha.
We are close by. That reminds me, we will have to change our place before entering.
How do you mean?
There's a particular way you will have to dress to see the exam.
Well, why didn't you tell me earlier on now? We would have done something about it.
Don't worry. It will be taken care of when we get there. I was just letting you know. Okay. What could I have done without you?
The root of all hatred, but love is the secret of progress. Oh no, divided will fall. Oh yes, united will stand. Umu warapiro, kaibiri nudo. Ogili kana so, iro neme bife, odiro matata. Ego.
Oh, madam. Oh, madam. Ndula! Ndukula, but I'm there when I'm letting Naija move on their temper.
Yeah.
Come in. Remove your shoes and come inside. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Oh, get it down there. Shut up. Ndukwe! Ha gwara la ho ke mmụọ. Hey. Woman. Ọ ka mmụọ. Nwanyị ukwu m dị m ọnụ. Ha gbara bụ oke mba. Ndị nyere m okwu n'anya sị m gaba ije m atụrụ ụjọ ndị ji nkwu okwu mgbe mkpụrụ okwu ha ga-atagbo. Ai! That's the woman. This is a problem. It's her. Take this. Take! Go to that tree. Talk. Tell him all you want him to do for you. Go! Whatever you want, he will do it for you. Agbala oko osisi. Agbala ekene. Whenever I feel like so, technically, his money belongs to me. I'm all a big one. Just keep me in charge. Keep me in charge of his wealth. Let me own everything. Let me be the richest in the whole family. Let me be able to tell the wife to jump and she will jump. Squat and she will squat. Sleep and she will sleep. I'm all like, you have to go to my wife. They need to change. We need change in the family. And that change will be good with me. Eh? I'm going to change this. I'm all I want to be in charge. Ginika in charge. anybody. No one. To the death. I repeat. Do not talk to anybody. Even the person. Go!
Go into your room. Pack the documents.
Wait. What's happening here?
Merit, pack the documents of all your husband's properties and hand them over to me.
Come. Ginika, come. Are you sure you're normal? Oh, are you going crazy? Because if you are not going crazy, you have gone kakas. In fact, you have gone what? Loco! This, Kolo? Are you serious?
Hello, Dorcas. It's me. Dorcas. Oh, Dorcas, there's a problem. Dorcas.
What is it?
I am finished. You know, I did as was instructed, but it's not working.
Are you sure? Are you sure you didn't greet anybody?
Dorcas, I did not greet.
Check very well. You didn't talk to anybody before then. Check.
It was my lawyer. The minute I drove into the compound, there he was. And I spoke to him. Oh, I am finished. Dorcas, what do I do?
Hey, I warned you. I warned you to be careful. But don't worry. I will go and see Ezenwai to myself. Don't worry.
You will? You will see her on my behalf?
Yes, I will.
God bless you. What can I do without you? Thank you so much. Thank you. And take care.
Okay.
Once you see her, just let me know.
I will. Take care.
Your instruction. But I warned you people. Didn't I? I warned you. Please help us. Please, something.
There's nothing I can do. Agbara is very angry.
Please, just try something, please.
Boy is over. Mwaga you don't be master. When they waiting the song, oh, money good.
Ground where no better. Now enjoyment for wise elders now. Don't blame me. I am just utilizing the small opportunity I have. If you don't know road, they will use you to road now.
Opportunity don't call, share the oil money, make everybody jolly. Money good, money, 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 money. Owo kudi, owo kudi. Money good, money.
Story for the girls. Dikeh, I'm sure you and your brother have seen the edge I have already. Sure of that?
You know, you can gloat as much as you want.
cry.
It's not over until it is over.
You see, you can stop fighting a lost battle. Fighting me, Merit, is the worst mistake you have ever made in your life. Now, who is laughing?
Merit. You think you're laughing? Go ahead and laugh, it's your time. But I'll tell you something. I'm not gonna let you leave my father's house. Anything. You think you're too much now? And I'll watch it. In case you didn't know, there's so many ways to kill a man.
Loser. Please, take care of that woman, please.
Boy is over. Mwaga you don't be master. When they waiting the song, oh, money good. Opportunity don't call, sharing all your money, make everybody jolly. Money good, money, 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 money. Oh, goody, oh, goody. Money good, money, 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 money. Oh, goody, ego, money good.
Desmond. Hey! Desmond.
Desmond, I always told you, he who laughs last. A patient dog eats the Desmond. And you are eating the bone now.
No.
Desmond, eat bone.
Every household enemy must die, Desmond. I am fully behind you.
Oga, I beg, how many times will I tell you this thing? My Oga said you shouldn't be allowed here again.
Your Oga said what?
You shouldn't be allowed here again.
In fact, where is that idiot?
Do you want to see him?
Where is that idiot? Because I came here prepared for him today. Where is he? Show me the person. I'm not here to joke.
Okay. Don't worry. He's at bar drinking with his friends. Oga? Hey! How many times will I tell this man?
Desmond.
Hi. Desmond will look at him while you're new to heavy net.
Man,
hey!
Desmond, you don't know again. Need to wake it now.
Where is he? You think you're stubborn? I come prepared for you today.
Thunder. Fire this one.
Okay, no way in a minute we'll talk. And off ya. Come back again now. Hey!
Desmond, in here now. Bush meat. Come with territory. They form militant. Desmond, in here now.
Desmond will look at them wire.
Bush rats.
Desmond will look at them wire. You do the heavy village.
We go run enter this guy. Okay? Give me my money. Make we reply. My balance. Before tell me say we won't go fight elephant, make I prepare. You know see Igbo when they smoke? Igbo full grand. For they know they smoke Igbo, I drink they drink am.
Kitikpe nwe nwanne gbagbu dia. Asin kitikpe nwe nwanne gbagbu dia. Eh? Come on this rat, you cannot deal with him. I think you smoke Igbo. Let's na we. And you cannot deal with this small boy. And you are talking about balance. In fact, give me my money. Give me my money.
I go with this man, oh.
Eh?
You know the fair face?
Huh? Which face? This face?
This face.
This face will run overtake me. Give me back my money.
I will take that for you.
Eh? Give me my money.
See this man.
Come on here, give me my money. Give me back my money. Give me back my money. Give me my money. Come give me my money.
Auntie, you didn't tell me that you people decided to hand over that filling station to that useless boy this morning.
No, they are nice. Why are you saying that?
I saw him yesterday. Auntie, you should have been there. You need to see the way he was spending money. People were calling him names. Big names like Ezege, Omena Cash, Plenty, Mimi.
Hi! No, that can't happen. Meme, Guinea, not while I'm alive. Give in a codifa. Hey! I'm a Dremonti. Oh, Guinea, na fio.
Guinea them. What's the problem?
Desmond wants to take over our filling station. You know, Mike. We need to do something about it, though.
Calm down first. Just calm down. There's one thing I want to tell you.
What you want to tell me? I'm going there right away. Mike, let us go. Let's sort this thing out.
Calm down first. Calm down. Do you know that this boy nearly killed me with bottle?
How? When? Why?
Let me answer one question at a time. Do you know that I visited his office to confront him, as he calls it? And this boy with his friend want to kill me with ammunition.
Eh? Hey!
You need to see what happened there.
God forbid, Auntie. Is that not what I was telling you? Hi, you need to do something fast so before that boy chase you and Uncle out of this house.
Mike, let us go. Let's go and fight this one.
Me, go away.
Let us go there right away and fight him now.
You may go with Dorcas.
Let us go.
Auntie, I wanted to go somewhere before I stopped by.
No problem. I am going on my own.
Do you know that this young man she wanted to be is a man dog? She will run back to this place. Mark it.
Let me go.
Boy is over. My guy, you don't be master. When they're waiting, they song.
Yeah, Kevin, come here. I want you to lock up the station and hand over the keys to me immediately.
Madam, Oga Desmond is around. I don't want to lose my job or die. I beg.
Are you crazy or something? I'm asking you to hand over the keys. Now, Oga Desmond, or never Oga Desmond, one. Enough, Paula. Lock up this place and give me the keys.
Madam, I beg.
Oh, look at the kind of chain you wear in this place. In a jewelry. You've been eating my brother's money, right?
No.
I will soon kick you. My friend, lock up and give me the keys.
What the hell is going on here?
Oga, Madam Dikeh said I should lock up the station and give her the keys.
Oh, you're reporting me. As per Desmond Booking, you're very stupid.
So you have the guts to come to my filling station and make noise?
Your station? Nah.
You want the keys to the station?
Yes.
Alright. I will give you the keys.
Go and get it.
Okay, give back, I'm case.
I'm waiting.
It's either you sacrifice someone related to you every 5 years, or you sacrifice yourself after you have enjoyed the word for years. The choice is yours. You have 3 days to make this decision. Great Otigo! Great Otigo! Great Otigo!
Great Otigo!
I have conscience and love for my family that I could not hurt anyone. Then I decided to sacrifice my life for you, my wife, and the entire family.
Great Otigo! Great Otigo! Great Otigo!
Great Otigo! Andy,
Master,
you are indeed a great man. It requires great love and courage for one's family for you to make this decision you have just taken. Not every mother will do that.
Master, please. How many years will I live?
The corns signifies the years, and the numbers of corns the fowl takes determines the years you shall live.